Wow, what do we have here? The Moringa cold press for extracting oil from the Moringa seed. And we also have the hot press for soya and granules. And that one is located at the corner there. So you will see that one too. And the process, the reason is we have more of such commodities in the north. So that's the hot
This
press,
coffee,
and we will use the brand
the
to make feed, as
soya
I explained in
ground,
the video.
and then the moringa brands will be used to prepare feed here. This is our feed milling machines that we use for feeding our animals.